Well, guys, I'm on my last day. My last day. My last day. Yes! Woo! This is my last one. This is my breakfast. I have salad, tuna on a bed of lettuce for lunch, and then dinner I have vegetables and some protein. Like I baked some chicken breast. So, girl did it. Ah! I won't get on the scale till tomorrow. So, we'll see. Good morning, loves. So right now, well, got my hair down, guys. Okay, feeling cute today. I'm going to mail my ballots. Well, gonna drop it off in the drop box. I already know Mama. We gonna get this done. So guys, if you haven't, please get that stuff done. Vote, 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 vote. Okay guys, I'm going to drop off my vote. Right here. Let me see where. Got some chocolate up in this box here. So here we go. I voted. My vote is in. Yes. And I'm thankful. Okay, I feel so good today. Got my vote in. Y'all know what I mean. Whatever. Today's a great day, guys. I hope you guys enjoy your day today. This Wednesday. Feel cute Wednesday, because I do. What else? I'm on my way to my mom's house because I ordered her the fireplace. You know, the portable fireplace with the thing. So I'm going to see what it looked like, make sure that it works. Because we're going to be doing some transformations in her living room. And kind of configure where we're going to put the fireplace. Well, she knows she wanted that. But I got to see what we move. Where can we put that? Because her place is not like huge. You know, senior buildings, you know, they're not that huge. So, wish me luck. So she's waiting. And then she called one more time. One more time. I'm like, give me some time, Mama. I'm getting there. This, I can't wait. And also, this is my last day of the cleanse. I did it. I cheated once. Not a big cheat. I end up having, what you call them? The bowl nachos. Nacho chips. I had about 3 of them. I just needed something. But this was like the 5th day I did that. But I didn't cheat no more. Anymore. I promise. Alright, so I'm headed to the highway now. I ain't going that way because I see a truck. We're going to turn right here. Looks like they're having a hard time. So we got to go around this corner here. And I'm not one to be taking like detours. But I've been doing a lot of detouring and finding my way. Hey, Is my sense of direction is coming together now? Like what? That's gonna be my thumbnail. So when y'all see that, y'all notice this vlog. One of those poses. I think this is my street right here. I think. All right, guys, I'll see y'all when I get there. Okay, I'm here, and this is the way they deliver it upside down. So now I have to flip it over. Ugh, this thing is heavy. I'm trying not to make it go down too fast. I don't want to crack nothing. So now it is right side up. This girl is strong, y'all. Strong. When they delivered it upside down. That's her yelling in the background. So we're gonna unbox it to see how it looks. Okay. Okay, so now I'm gonna just cut this tape off here and open this up, and I hope that it's not upside down still. That's why I had to flip it over. Get no help from my mama though. That's all right. I hate this foam stuff. Now I asked my mom just to come help me lift the box up. Oh shoot. And over. Off the fireplace, because I couldn't do it by myself. So here it goes, guys. We're unboxing. But look at all the foam. Woo, it's gonna be a mess. Look at my mother struggling. Go ahead, mama. Go ahead, girl. All right, so this is the top of it. It's a nice little cute little thingy. It has a little bruises right there in the corner where my hand is. If you guys can see that, a little chip. But she said she don't want to return it. She's just gonna keep it because that's a big chip too. So we're trying to lift it up out of the thing that it's sitting in. But this little thing is kind of heavy. So I'm gonna see if she can help me real quick. But I think we need some manpower for this. Yeah, it's a little heavy there. Little heavy. So I'm just going to clean up all this little foam, little chip things real quick, so that I can show you guys how this works. I am excited to see how it works also. Dust that down a little bit. I'm annoyed over that chip though on that corner. Look at her. See, that's what we couldn't lift it out of. It's like it's in there like cement. So I'm getting my brother or my son-in-law to help me. So I'm turning it on for you guys. Look how cute. Isn't that cute? Just a little remote. It's nice and simple for her. So it has 4 levels of the lighting. It can be a low lighting to look like fire, or it can be a higher one like it is now. And then it actually has heat. It has a low heat and a high heat. This thing kicks out some real heat. It is not a joke. So she's gonna be plenty warm for the winter. I told her to come look at it, but I decided to take me some pictures. So I sat on the floor. She talking about something. I hope you be able to get up. Somewhere about me, I'm gonna get up. How cute. So this is a side look. Sorry about the box in the background, but that sucker's big. I'm gonna take it out in a minute. I'm glad I had my braids down. So isn't it cute? Okay, Christmas. So this is me acting silly, showing y'all a little front view. Okay, get it done, get it done. Holiday, holiday. Well, this is cute. I love it. Good pick, Val. Good pick. Guys, so I left my mom's house now. I'm on my way home. I'm just stopping to get a salad. That's supposed to actually be my lunch, and along with the cleanse. I'm supposed to have a salad for lunch. So I'm gonna pick one up here at Wendy's. It's a regular small salad. And I'm going home. Wasn't the fireplace nice? So cute. So we just gotta get it in the spot she wanted at in her living room. Get all that transformation done. So we'll probably do it either Saturday or Sunday. I'm not gonna be doing too much labor, but I'll be there to, you know, give direction. Not that they're gonna listen, but I'll be there to do that. Just feeling so cute today. What? Happy Wednesday. Hump day. I just want a small salad.
Okay, I have the apple pecan salad, the Parmesan Caesar, taco salad, sour avocado.
Okay, give me the first one you said.
The apple pecan?
Yeah.
You want a full size or half size?
Half.
All right. Anything else?
That's it. Thank you.
$5.21. Thank you.
Wendy's got some good salad. So I got the apple and chicken salad. It's so good. It's a small one. Small bowl. So apple, chickens, and nuts. So protein, protein, protein. So good and tasty. All right, about to get on the highway, guys. See y'all when I get to the house. Okay, guys, I'm home. I forgot to close out the vlog, but I'm gonna scrub my face from being out. It feels ugh, and relax for the rest of the evening. So, if you're new, please, excuse my voice. I don't know why I'm winded. If you're new, please subscribe, like, comment down below, and hit that like button for me, please. And I'll see you guys on the next vlog. Thanks for hanging out with me. I appreciate you. I love you when you come and watch. Yes. So, get my breath. I know y'all want me to sing, right? I know, right? Hold on. Okay. I'll see you on the next vlog. Come party with me on the next vlog. I'm Valerie. Come party with me on the next vlog. My voice still ain't right. Sorry about that. Bye-bye, guys.